All right, happy Wednesday, guys. We only have 2 weeks before Thanksgiving break, so let's work hard, let's turn in our assignments, and let's get some good grades. All right, today we're starting a new book called The Lightning Thief. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and click open these Google Slides. And then there's 2 links to click once you get here. Okay, you're going to click this one. Oop. There you go. And this will take you to the book itself. Okay, and you can flip through as you read it. But this second link up here, this video, that is what is going to let you read along and hear it. So go ahead and click this and listen to this story, and you're going to read pages 1 through 13. And so you can pause it as you need to. Then, once you're done with that, I want you to come back to this video and I'm going to go over your little quiz, okay? So you'll go back to your classwork after you've read and listened to the chapter, and you'll click on The Lightning Thief, Chapter 1. Okay, so the first one says, check all the characteristics that describe Percy Jackson. So ADHD, half-blood, dyslexic, that he has attended one special school for LD kids his entire life, that he's a trouble magnet, that he has many friends, that he's a troubled kid, or that he traveled to Switzerland over summer. So go ahead and just check mark. I'm in the correct ones. Hold on, give me a second. There we go. And you'll just check the ones you agree with, okay? This next one, it says foreshadowing are hints about what's going to happen in the future. So list one example of foreshadowing from chapter 1. So give me an example and tell me what you think it means, like what's going to happen because of what already happened. And then I want you to read this little passage here. I asked Grover where Mrs. Dobbs was. He said, who? But paused first, and he wouldn't look at me. So I thought he was messing with me. What can you infer from this passage? And infer means what can you guess? What can you know? So if I go outside and it's dark and I see clouds, I can infer that maybe it's going to be rainy today, or maybe it's going to be cold or shady. Those are guesses, educated guesses I can make by my observations. So what does this make you think is going to happen? What can you infer? What can you think you know? So once you do this, I want you to go ahead and submit it and have a wonderful Wednesday.